So, trying to see if we can distinguish. We got the lines on the back side of this angle iron. It's 1/4 inch thick angle iron. Again, the tubing is 1/8 inch wall, and these, so the welds with this little MIG machine, they're welding it up just fine, getting all the penetration that I'd be concerned about getting, I guess. So that looks like this side's got, you can see it here also, so not terribly concerned about that. Gotta do more cleaning. So I just wanted to say that weld is about a 3/16 fillet, and it's probably the biggest weld that should be made, single pass at least, with this is all welded up using my Lincoln Power MIG 140C. You can see the settings. Wire feed speed next to nothing, voltage maxed out. So I had a little afterthought on the way home from the hardware store, getting some paint for this thing, which I am going to try out the Rust-Oleum hammered paint. I've never used it, don't know if it's any good or not, but luckily I got this idea in my head before painting. And what I'm going to do is, on the bottom side here, I'm going to just weld on, I'm thinking just 3, one more towards out here, one in the middle, and one on the other side, just some chain links, and basically so that they're not going to be in the way, and this way it'll give me some versatility for needing, if I ever need some straps tied down to it. So yes, shop is a little messy right now. So this is the chain link that I got, and it definitely will accept it, which is a good thing. Now I just need to cut and sacrifice a few links here. Another great tool. It's a hard to trade item, just an automatic center punch. It really does help to keep the drill bit from skirting around. I just give it like, I don't know, 3 to 5.